Hi! In front of me is NOKIA X30 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to begin by opening Settings. In them, click on Connected Devices. Then select Pair New Device and just wait for available ones to show. Then tap on the one that you wish to connect to. In order to connect, you need to select Pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, after a while, my smartphones were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, choose this icon next to the device, tap on Forget and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can connect to the same one by choosing Pair, clicking on it and tapping on Pair in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!